life can throw curveballs when we least expect it. Whether it's a job loss, a relationship challenge, or any other setback, it's easy to feel lost. But today we're going to talk about how to reinvent yourself after a major setback and why it's not only possible, but empowering. The first step to reinventing yourself is to embrace where you are. Accept the challenge, acknowledge the emotions that come with it, and take a deep breath. It's okay to feel overwhelmed, but remember, this moment doesn't define you. The next step is setting new goals. Break down what you want for your future and start small. Reinvention doesn't happen overnight, but it starts with daily, intentional actions toward your new vision. Self-care isn't just about pampering yourself. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. Find practices that center you. Whether it's meditation, exercise, or simply taking a moment to breathe, this is essential for your resilience. Surround yourself with positivity. Whether it's your support system, uplifting content, or new challenges, ensure the people and things around you support your growth. Remember, setbacks don't define you. They are stepping stones to your transformation. Reinventing yourself is a journey, not a destination. And every step you take will bring you closer to the life you want. Your journey is unique, and it's never too late to start. So, take that first step, no matter how small, toward your reinvention. The future is yours to create. Thank you for joining me today. If you're ready to start your reinvention journey, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and resilience. Remember, your strength is within you. I'm rooting for you.